Are you looking for the best smart light dimmer switch 2025? In this video we will look at some of the best smart light dimmer switch 2025 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tuya Wi-Fi RF Smart Light Dimmer Switch 2/3 Way Multi-Control Association to control one light with multiple dimmer switches. Anti-scratch tempered glass panel suits any home decor and allows for effortless touch control. You can multi-control associate this switch to multiple different switches in Smartlife app. Non-interference control mode allows the switch to be controlled via Smartlife, touch control, voice, and remote with RF 433 frequency and 1527 encoding. Remote switch not included. Each control method works independently. Achieve multi-control by associating to other smart switches. Number 2. Aubess Wi-Fi US Smart Light Switch. 2 wiring methods support neutral system and no neutral system. Support single fire system, but you need a capacitor when you use no neutral system. 3 control methods: app control, voice control, switch, touch control, Wi-Fi direct connection. No gateway hub is required, just install it and use it. Directly connect to the internet. You can control with your mobile phone to realize Smartlife app remote control. Tuya or Smartlife app can be used to remotely control the switch on and off. You can see the open or closed state of the switches from the app when you are away. Number 3. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart On-Off Light Switch. Voice control: connect the switch with Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo /tap, or Google Assistant for voice control. App remote control: download Smartlife or Tuya app on your smartphone to control the wall switch wirelessly with Wi-Fi or 4G network. No hub is required. Share device: the smart light switch can have several control sites shared by different family members. One mobile phone can control many switches also. Number 4. Tuya ZigBee Smart Switch Smartlife Neutral. 2 wiring methods support: need neutral wiring and no neutral wiring. Support no neutral wiring, but you need a capacitor when you use no neutral wiring. 3 control methods: app control, voice control, switch, touch control. 2 indicator colors: soft lighting, on red light / off blue light. You can turn on or off the indicator light in the app. App remote control: Tuya or Smartlife app can be used to remotely control the switch on and off. You can see the open or closed state of the switches from the app when you are away. Number 5. Tuya ZigBee 3.0 Smart Scene Switch Wireless. This scene switch is powered by battery, which is developed under ZigBee communication. After connecting with ZigBee gateway and adding into Smartlife app, it allows you to quickly set the scene for a particular room or living scene, like reading, movie, and so on. Scene switch is a time and energy saving item or alternative to the traditional hardwired switch. With push button design, it can be stick on the wall or put it on everywhere you like.